Hey guys, and welcome back to Word of Advice TV, where your time is invested and not wasted. Have you ever seen anybody getting electrocuted? I can't say I really have, but I heard stories and I've seen videos. I've seen somebody get shocked slightly, but they were able to let go right away. Sometimes what happens is when somebody starts to get electrocuted, they get locked in and they cannot let go. So what do you do if you happen to be standing next to them and seeing them getting electrocuted? Most likely, most people, including myself, would probably just freeze in fear and not know exactly what to do and just be like, ugh. But here is what you gotta do. If you're seeing somebody getting electrocuted, you pull out your marshmallows and see if you can roast them. I'm kidding. This is not really a joking matter. If you do see somebody getting electrocuted, the first thing is you really do not want to touch them at all. Because if you put your hand on them, the current that is going through them will jump into you, and chances are both of you will get killed and you weren't much help. So if somebody's getting electrocuted, the very first thing you gotta do is look for the power source. If there's a power source nearby, shut it off as fast as possible. But if that power source is not nowhere near you, you could attempt a brave rescue. But you gotta do this smart. You have to use something that's not conductive. If you have rubber soles on your boots, that'll work great. If there's a 2x4 laying around or a shovel, that'll work great too. Wood is not really conductive. Once you really quickly decided what you're gonna use, you now have an opportunity to practice your swinging or your high kicks. Try to hit the individual hard and fast to knock him off whatever he's locked onto, whether it be a wire, an outlet, or some kind of a metal conductor that's zapping him. Once you manage to get him off, locate the power source and shut that off, and then call 911 as soon as you can. Or even better, if there's two bystanders, one of them should call 911 while the other one is looking for the power source or trying to knock the other guy off the power line. So there you have it. The biggest takeaway from this video is if you're seeing somebody getting electrocuted, the very last thing you want to do is run up to them and grab them to try to pull them off, because you're just going to get locked in with them and most likely both of you will end up getting killed. So use something that's not conductive like wood or rubber to knock them off. Optimally though, it would be best if you could shut off the electrical power source. That's my word of advice for today. If you have any experience with somebody getting electrocuted or shocked, we would love to hear about that in the comments below, how that went for you and how you were able to stop it. Any stories are welcome. Don't forget to mash that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.